Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution. In this section we will be given a number of pronumerals, and each of these pronumerals will be assigned a numerical value. We are then presented with different algebraic expressions. We need to substitute the numerical value for each pronumeral to reveal a value for each algebraic expression. Consider the numerical value for each of the following pronumerals. A equals 4, B equals negative 3, C equals 5, and D equals negative 6. Find a value for each of the following algebraic expressions using substitution. So we have to evaluate AB plus C. So using the values over here, we have 4 times negative 3 plus 5. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Number 2, 3c squared minus AD. We have to note here that C is the pronumeral that is squared. The 3 is not squared. So it's 3 times 5 squared. Now minus A times D, which is minus 4 times negative 6. So that's 3 times 25, because 5 5s are 25. Now, negative 4 times negative 6 is plus 24 from the rules we learnt earlier. 3 times 25 is 75. There's our 24, so the answer is 99. I've just repeated the values here for ease of reference. 2b all squared divided by AB. So that's 2 times negative 3 all squared divided by 4 times negative 3. So that value there is negative 6, so that's all squared. And we divide that by negative 12. So negative 6 all squared is 36. And we divide that by negative 12, and that gives us negative 3. BCD divided by AC plus C squared. BCD is negative 3 times 5 times negative 6, and we divide that by 4 times 5 plus 5 squared. Now we have to look very carefully to make sure we put in the correct values. If we evaluate that part there, a negative times a positive times a negative, that gives us 90, and we divide that by, now 4 5s are 20. Okay, we have to do that part first. So that's 20 plus 25. 5 5s are 25. We can't do the addition yet until we do any multiplication that involves plus powers, which is really multiplication. So we're left with this part there. So we have 90 divided by 45, because 20 plus 25 is 45. 90 divided by 45 is 2. We have that expression there. Now all we do is you substitute the values in. So D is negative 6, so that'll be negative 6 all squared. Now B to the power of 4 is negative 3 to the power of 4. CD is 5 times negative 6. And then minus B is minus 3. Now minus 6 all squared is 36. Minus 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 5 times minus 6, or negative 6, is negative 30. And negative 3 is plus 3. So we work out that section, and we get 81 take away 30 plus 3 is 54. So 36 plus 54 is 90. Minus c squared. This is very tricky here. Now this can be actually written this way, meaning The c is the only thing that's squared. The negative sign is not squared. So we can put grouping symbols here with the c squared inside to avoid confusion. We leave the negative sign outside. We square the 5 because c is 5. So the negative sign is still outside. Inside we have 25, so that gives us negative 25. So this video has introduced the idea of substitution, where we substitute given values into an algebraic expression, and the idea is to evaluate the given algebraic expression.